Hello, welcome back. Hello guys, welcome back. Hi, welcome back to another video with me. I'm going to do an eyeshadow look tutorial with the Rihanna Moroccan Spice palette, and I'm very excited to use it, so please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna be real, I took off everything because I didn't like how it looked. Those two colors made the crease look a little bit muddy, so I forgot I don't really like to use cool tones and like, I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna start all over. MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. Okay. I'm blending it out with my finger. Taking an M441, going in with Quicksand. So I gotta know the names already. I'm gonna blend it out with the E27. Soften it up right here. M441 again, going in with saffron. I don't know. Going in with the inner and outer corner. And I'm just doing a V, like a V shaped. And then I'm gonna buff this out, going in. And grabbing in a E36. Just gonna deepen that look a little bit. It's gonna help me guide it. And then grabbing that brush and then just blending it inwards. Grabbing my M433. Gonna pack Evil Genie on. And I'm just pressing it. And I'm moving my brush like kind of like left to right while I'm patting. And I'm gonna bring it up to here. Okay, and then I'm grabbing my M506. I'm just gonna blend those lightly though. Lightly. Picking up Moroccan Ice with that same brush, and then just putting it on my brow bone. And then putting that in the inner. And then grabbing a E36, going in with Quicksand. I'm gonna put this on the line, my waterline. And just grabbing saffron and doing the outer 2/3 of my eye. I put on my eyelashes now. Now I'm going to go in with, what was I going to go in with? I don't know. Hold on. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty, the Stunna Lip Paint in the Unbutton. Just like that. And then on top of that, I'm going to use a Gloss Bomb with Fussy. So I'm going to line my lips. I'm going to use a Ulta Contour Lip Liner in Cocoa. Ugh, I hate my nails. I got dirty from the makeup. Okay, I'm going to go in with that. Like that. I'm going to go in with the Kylie Jenner Give Me a Kiss from the Kris Jenner collection. I'm going to go in with that. Blend it in using my fingers. Bottle before use. So it looks like this. Like a nude peach color. And then the applicator looks like this. Guys, swatch. Like a nude peach color. I'm gonna use this all over. Right here. And that with my finger as well. I made a mess, but no problem. We'll fix it right now. I'm going to grab my flat concealer brush. I'm just gonna clean it up. So the reason why I did the outer look dark was to make it more of a pouty look, more my lips fuller because I really have thin lips. So I'm waiting that to dry. It is matting, like a matte wear, so it's supposedly 12 hours long lasting. It's not as drying. Well, I put on chapstick before. It's taking a while to dry because I had the lipstick from the Kylie Jenner. But other than that, I think it's cute. It's not like an overbearing nude color. But then I'm gonna go in with Fussy. Oh, that's pretty. So it's like a really pinkish color. It looks like this. I'm just gonna dab it in the middle. Finished look. I did like the outcome of the eyeshadow after a while, after, you know, hard work and trial through this shit. My honest opinion is it is kind of hard to blend out. I do like it. It can get a little bit muddy, but it's good. I did love the unbutton I love the color, and then I especially love this. This will be my favorite because look at my lips, they look juicy. But yeah, after that, I'm excited to try the rest of her products. I really am a huge fan, but this is my honest opinion, and I hope you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, thank you. Hit that button and subscribe to me, because your girl is on the roll, and I'm gonna make more videos, so stay tuned. And I feel like Rihanna today, because in her video she did, you know, a black robe while she was giving a tutorial for this. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and thank you for watching again. Bye.